Hey there, universe nerds! Today we're diving into one of the most haunting questions in astronomy. If the universe is so big, with billions of galaxies, trillions of stars, and countless planets, then where is everyone? This mystery is often called the Great Silence, or the Fermi paradox. It asks, if intelligent life is common, why haven't we heard from anyone yet? No signals, no spacecraft, no clear evidence, just silence. It's one of the most fascinating puzzles of science, mixing astrophysics, philosophy, and even sociology. The paradox was first posed in the 1950s by physicist Enrico Fermi, who asked, "Where is everybody?" At the time, scientists were beginning to realize just how vast the universe is. The Milky Way alone has about 400 billion stars, and many of them likely host planets. With so many worlds, the odds seem good that life has emerged elsewhere. And not just simple bacteria, but intelligent civilizations capable of building technology. If even a small fraction of them developed star travel, the galaxy should be buzzing with signals or visitors, yet we see nothing. One explanation is that intelligent life might be much rarer than we think. While planets are common, the conditions for life might be incredibly strict. Maybe Earth hit the cosmic jackpot with liquid water, stable climate, and a magnetic shield. Some scientists call this the rare Earth hypothesis. In this view, microbes may be common across the cosmos, but complex, intelligent life is vanishingly rare. We may truly be unique, the only civilization for light years, maybe even for millions of light years. Another possibility is that civilizations are out there, but they're not talking. Maybe advanced beings don't broadcast signals because they know it's dangerous. This is called the dark forest hypothesis, from science fiction writer Liu Cixin. The idea is that the universe is like a dark forest where everyone hides, because announcing your presence might invite destruction. Perhaps alien civilizations stay quiet out of fear, or communicate in ways we can't detect. The silence in this case is deliberate. Some scientists suggest we may be looking in the wrong way. We've searched mainly for radio signals, but maybe aliens used technologies beyond our imagination. They could be transmitting with neutrinos, lasers, or even quantum communication. Or maybe they build megastructures that blend into the natural background of space. If we're only listening for signals like our own, we could be missing everything. It's like using a drum to listen for violin music. The notes are there, but the instrument is wrong. There's also the sobering idea of the great filter. This is the possibility that life tends to self-destruct before it can spread. Maybe civilizations collapse under war, environmental destruction, or runaway technology before they ever reach the stars. If that's true, the silence isn't comforting, it's a warning. It means that survival beyond a certain level of advancement is extremely rare, and humanity's own future is at stake. Listening to the silence may be like hearing the echo of countless civilizations that never made it. But the silence could also be temporary. Perhaps civilizations are rare in time, not space. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Civilizations may rise and fall in cycles, existing for thousands of years before fading away. We might simply live in a quiet cosmic era, between waves of galactic civilizations. Or perhaps we're one of the first, pioneers who will eventually fill the galaxy with our own signals. In this case, the silence is not mysterious, but historical. The universe is still young, and we are early. Despite the lack of signals, scientists keep searching. Projects like SETI scan the skies with massive radio telescopes. The Breakthrough Listen project is listening to millions of stars for any hint of artificial signals. So far, the results are silent, though there have been mysterious one-off signals, like the famous WOW signal of 1977. Nothing has repeated, nothing has confirmed, but the hunt continues. Each silent night of data tells us something new about how rare or strange intelligent life may be. Philosophically, the Great Silence forces us to reflect on our place in the cosmos. Are we fragile and alone, or one of many voices yet to be heard? Some people see the silence as evidence of hope that the galaxy is wide open, waiting for us to explore. Others see it as a warning that survival is the hardest step and we must tread carefully. Either way, the Great Silence is not empty. It's filled with meaning, possibility, and mystery. So, where is everyone? We don't know. The Great Silence might mean we are rare, early, fragile, or just not listening in the right way. But it also reminds us that the search itself is valuable. Every time we scan the skies, we're not just looking for aliens. We're asking the biggest question of all. What does it mean to be alive, intelligent, and aware in a universe that's so vast and so quiet? Until we hear a voice in the dark, we remain both humbled and inspired by the silence.